Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my small YouTube channel. At nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong lahat sa mga nanonood sa mga videos ko. You always watching my videos at saka yung mga support nyo sa akin. Nagpasalamat ako lalo na kay Ma'am Moji on Air, kay Manong Laka, yung mga Arthur Blanco, Sir Arthur Blanco, yung mga at saka lahat ng mga subscriber ko na 21 subscriber ngayon kasi nag-umpisa ulit ako. Back to zero again. Kaya I'm here again in front of you na sana I want to share my videos and I want to share my story life about my employer before, no? Last, maybe I'm here now, I stay here in Philippines is 4 years already, 3 and a half because I forgot already. I left my employer and I asked my employer before I want to for good because I feel not good. I'm not hard work. I'm not strong to work, to serve you, to your family. I'm okay, but my way back, it's always pain like that. That's why I'm ashamed also to always accept my salary and my obligation, my job is not completely good. That's why I asked my employer to, please mama, release me. I want to go home. I'm sorry. I want to stay with you. But I said, if I want to stay with you forever, even until I'm 60 years old, I want to go. I want to stay with you. But I feel my body, I feel my back is always pain. I said, I asked him also to, my madam is always sleeping and also I still sleeping, di ba? Last time, sa Wisugol, your shakala, your housemaid, before you start to work, you wake up early in the morning and work, starting to work, your job, you must be finish your work, your job, you clean the house, washing the clothes, everything is yours, sa? So, I said before, I don't want to leave my madam. I don't want to go home here in the Philippines because I know my madam is very, very good. I feel my mama like my mother, because my mother before, nasawi same princess, because my madam is always only one madam, you know. I'm so lucky because only my madam, no husband. The babies stay in the mom with family also. Only once a week I go there with madam to visit his daughter. So I said before, why I leave? Why I go in the Philippines? I feel good here, but you know, iyak talaga ako. I said, why I go there? I want to still working. I don't want to leave my madam because she is very good and she's always alone. I don't want also to my madam is she take the housemaid not good. Even me, I feel good because I treat my mama. She is my mother. No liar, no straight like my family. No liar, no everything is I tell madam. Even my problem about my family, I open to mama. If I have problem here in the Philippines, I tell madam. I said, mama, my family is problem like this, like this. And then madam, okay, you send your salary. Yeah, tomorrow I will give you. Like that. Very understanding woman. Very understanding. Pero lahat naman sila, they all like that. They all sister. Because there are 6 sisters, no? And 2 brothers. They are very good to his katulong, housemaid. They treat them not katulong. Same family, inside the house. No different. You treat, yeah, ang different lang yung pagtatrabaho mo kasi siyempre, I'm a housemaid. Siyempre, magtatrabaho ako. Hindi naman ako nagpunta doon na para nakasitting pretty, nakaupo, di ba? You must be work. Siyempre, kung mabait yung amo mo, siyempre, lalo mong sisipagan, baitan mo yung gandahan mo yung ugali mo para kahit alam ni mama because she knows me. I'm watching like this, let's see, but inside my heart is very clean. No dirty. Hindi yung gaya ng ibang katulong, di ba? Na they another housemaid, if only one madam inside the house, maybe they make boyfriend, they go there, they go outside, still sleeping your madam, they go outside, or so we telephone his Rijal, her boyfriend, his boyfriend, they call ber 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 ber. But me, no, only my family. I straight from the heart, my family, only my family. I call my children, even madam hear me, even see me, everything I working, still working, but once only I telephone, baden kalas anasawi sugol alatul sugol mama arap hada baden my madam. Before, when I go home, she promised me, alhamdulillah Lydia, alhamdulillah, inshallah, intero, I know your sacrifice, ana give you, ana kalam ana baby, ana give you, swaya ana give you, no problem, ana mama kalam ana. But me, I'm not expecting like that, because I said before, I'm not straight good, because sometimes I answer my madam, sometimes mama sabi gargar ana pa din, ana mo also sa gargar, because I'm old already, no, I'm 56 years old. I said, if mama liya sabi hada sabi badin ama pi kalasadi, madi pa kalasadi, I'm always answer my mama. That's why I said, I accept my mistake, sometimes ana ber also. But I said, mama, but after how many minutes, ana kala mama, sorry mama. Ana swaya badin, ana kala mama, ana sawi hadi mama for you, like this, ana sawi good badin, mama, maybe the heart is same, maalis yung ano niya, yung feeling niya na hindi yan nananakit, hindi yung masakit, parang napatawad ka na niya. She forgive me, because I know sometimes like that. But if my madam, I'm so lucky. I'm very, very lucky. Kasi makapulot ka ba dyan sa labas, sa highway, kahit saan ka pumunta? Mahirapan ka. Kahit maghanap pa ng pera dyan, wala kang mahanap. Kung umutang ka, mahirapan ka pa. Umutang ka kahit pa sabihin mo 10%, mahirapan ka pa, di ba? Kaya my madam, she's doing awal-awal. Sa wihada, housemaid before, I changed Carmen. If Carmen call me, Lydia, please, can you tell mama I need my medicine, because I'm no money here, no pulos here in the Philippines. I tell madam, I tell a story about her housemaid before, and then mama kalam, okay. If you send your money, I give Carmen 200 real. It's okay, no problem, because Carmen is good for me. I treat like my sister. So if I send my salary, I send also 200 real to her, Carmen. Before, when I stay with madam, and then the housemaid before, she's doing already. And not only Filipina, all madam, all the sister, they help Palestine. They send money, they send clothes, package, karton, everything, money, and then ada kullo akil, Diyos ko, diyan ko nakita talaga yung ugali nilang magkakapatid na if Ramadan, before Ramadan, no? Wow, give my madam, they give groceries like that, rice, everything is there, completely, all complete. That's why I said, but me, my madam even promised me, if help me like that, always help me. But I said no, I don't want to depend my madam. I still sugol here, I still earn money. If my madam give me, I said, mama, I'm sick also, no here, because here in the Philippines, if you have no money, no give you something, where you take money, di ba? Saan ka kukuha ng pera kung wala kang trabaho? Umaasa ka rin sa mga anak mo, may pamilya din sila, di ba? Kahit pa abroad sila, may pamilya din yung mga anak mo. Mga anak ko, sabihin ko na lang. Pero yung amo ko, grabe. Buti na lang nandyan din si April na nagpapalimunagan ko, kasi si mama, yan, ay friend in WhatsApp, nag-ano na ako, kasi kanina naiiyak ako. Sorry. Na yung ko. Buti nandyan si April, yung kasama, yung katulong din ng anak niya na si Madam Amalian. Kaya nandyan si April. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako kasi nagsasabi din ako kay April ng problema ko. Kaya yan, alam nyo, kapag mabait ka, kahit mabunganga ka, pag ang amo mo, mag-selfie ka sa kanya. Hindi naman ako nag-selfie sa kanya ng matagal eh. Kulang na 7 years ako sa kanya. 7 years kasi. Kulang na 7 years ako nag-selfie sa kanya kasi talagang hindi ko yan iiwanan. Nag-promise na ako pati sa mga anak ko. Alam nila yan na sabi ko dito na ako tatanda. Pero hindi ko na kaya guys yung likod ko. Sobrang sakit. Kapag nagkakasakit ako, alam ni mama yan. Alam ng amo ko na natutulog ako, sinasabi ko sa niya, mama, masakit yung ano ko, yung likod ko. Pwede, mamaya ko na lang gawin yan. Okay, no problem, mapi muskila. Kaya dyan ako nag-ano kay mama na, Diyos ko. Pero alam niyo ba, grabe ang pray ko din sa kanya na, sabi ko kay Allah na sana, Allah, wag mo siyang pababayaan. Na maganda pa rin yung amo kasi super ganda yan, yung matanda na yan, grabe. Siya yung pinakamagandang mga kapatid yan. Kahit siya yung panganay, parang siya rin yung youngest to all sister. Kasi ang ganda-ganda niya, maalaga sa katawan at saka talagang maalaga sa katawan niya. Ayaw niya yung basta-basta parang, kaya at saka walang problema, hindi ma-stress. Kasi walang asawa, di ba? Walang asawa yan, hindi ma-stress. Kaya I'm so proud na i-share ko sa inyo na ang kalagayan ko ngayon ay kahit nagkakasakit ako guys, kahit masakit ako, pag nagsasabi ko kay mama ng problema ko, naiintindihan niya ako. Nagbibigay siya ng pera. Pinabadala niya ko, I appreciate that. Malaking tulong na yon sa akin, di ba? Malaking tulong na yon. Walang magbibigay sa'yo ng ganyan kung hindi ka, ano. Kahit nga sabi ko noon na, minsan, sinasagot ko siya, ganyan. Pero, naghihingi din ako sa kanya ng sorry. Kaya, maraming salamat. And, wajid sukran, mama. I love you so much and forever I love you. Sana, I hope you don't forget me. Kahit na nandyan ka sa malayo, nandito ka pa rin sa puso ko. Nandito ka pa rin sa puso ko. You still here in my heart. Pamilya kita, mama. I always thinking about you. I always pray also. Gaya ng ginagawa ko sa pamilya ko, kasama ka rin sa dasal ko. Kaya maraming salamat. Thank you so much. And heto lang yung share ko. Marami pa akong ikukwento sa inyo. Kung magustuhan nyo, please comment. And sana, thank you rin sa mga support nyo sa akin. I love you so much. Lydia loves you so much. I love you, mama. I love you. And lahat. And all your sister and your brother. I love them so much. Same inte. Kasi na-miss ko kayong lahat. Diba? I miss you all. Lalo na yung mga kakulitan ko, minsan, yan. Pero kasi, kasundo ko lahat yung mga kapatid ng amo ko. Dahil, kahit na madaldal ako, pero, yung pagka, nagkukwentuhan kami, parang walang madam. Alam nila yung ugali ko kasi na straight, yung parang hindi keme-keme. Wala. Ang feeling ko kasi, parang, yung nakikita ko sa kanila, parang magkakapatid. Kasi yung nanay nila noon, sabi niya sa akin, 7 kayong babae. Ay, yan yung anak ko pa na isa. Sabi niya sa akin, yung nanay nila noon, yung inalagaan kong matanda, yung nanay nila. Alam niyo ba nung namatay yan? Ako lang yung nakapasok sa loob ng ano niya. Nakita ko talaga, di ba, bawal? Hindi. Talaga, tumulong din ako. Nung nawala na yung hininga ng amo ko, yung nanay ng amo ko ngayon, nandun ako, grabe. Grabe ang iyak ko din, sobra. Parang sa kanila din magkakapatid. Kasi minahal ko din yun kahit 1 year lang kami nagsama eh. Kaya sobrang blessing ko kasi yung blessing ko na yun ay sabi ko, mama, kung mabuhay ka lang, magmumuslim talaga ako. I'm sorry, magmumuslim talaga ako. Hindi na buhay. Yan. Ayan lang i-share ko sa inyo guys. Ayoko nang umiyak kaya. Thank you so much sa support nyo sa akin. Please subscribe my channel. I love you all.